time. Hell yeah. Alright, day 34. Let's do this. We got the mic, we got Little Kitty, we got the camera, Codecademy, chat's open. Good? Yeah, she's good. Good. Everything's in check. Continuing on. You know what? I realized also at the end of Learn the Command Line, I was yammering at the end of Command Line that I was gonna correct the audio, do an audio session. Still need to do that. But then I dove into Deploy Website. Quickly found out we needed to learn Git first before pursuing the Deploy Website course. So now that we're in Git, I'm probably just going to continue the next day or two with the same audio setup. So we've made it 34 days with this, right? So might as well continue. Anywho's, let's do this. Where did we leave off? So we finished section 1. Basic Git workflow, and now we are on to section 2, how to backtrack in Git. Aha, yes, I remember them mentioning that towards the end of yesterday. Git branching and teamwork. Those will be another day. Onwards, how to backtrack. Let's do this. Let's go. High five? No? No? No high five. Okay. Hey, Topher, just in time. I literally just opened up the course with the thing. You saw. Well, you didn't see, but I was here, and then I clicked here, and now you're in chat. Way cool. In the nick of time, man. How to backtrack to Git. So yeah, no, everything's good. Life is good. The cat's good. Gittin', the Gittin' is good. Yeah, I was just yammering to myself because no one was in here yet for the beginning of the video or stream, whatever this is. At the end of, God, I'm already drawing a blank on whatever the hell I learned. Command line. We finished. Oh god, we finished command line. I went into the next activity, which was deploy a website, but that used command line and Git. They said it both used those heavily, and I hadn't learned Git yet, so I had this giant moral dilemma yesterday, and then I decided to start learning Git. So yeah, Critical made it to yesterday's stream, so that was cool. But now part 2 of this. Good times. All right. Onwards. Learning. What do we be learning? When working on a Git project, sometimes we make changes that we want to get rid of. Git offers a few eraser-like features that allow us to undo mistakes during project creation. In this lesson, we'll learn some of the features. To start out, let's review the basic Git workflow. Instructions. 1. You are in a Git project titled Hamlet, Prince of Denmark. In the code editor, you'll be working on Scene 5 text. Here, Hamlet encounters the ghost of his father, and this text to the add this text to the file. Okay. Ghost. My hour is almost come when I to Sulliferous Sulfur? What the deuce? When I... Oh, we're gonna need Suri to read that to us. Speak, damn it. Sulfurous. There we go. When I too sulfurous and tormenting flames must render myself up. Yeah, I watched. I know you feel like your world is crashing down around you. Yes. Okay, so someone did watch it after. I didn't think anyone would even check. I know I usually click on them just to see if the video loaded okay, but yeah, that was I'd been planning in my mind for 30 plus days that it would be going in order. I did a whole scream on day 13 figuring out what order the things would happen in, so to have it just bank in a different direction on me, I was not mentally ready for that. Alright, so we're taking this ghost, copy. Okay, Hamlet, enter ghost, Hamlet, ghost again, Hamlet. So we're going to skip a line in the same form as the others. Paste that. Run. Added that to the file. 2. From the terminal, add scene 5 to the staging area. Oh, I need a hint. It was git something. Git init? Git add. Okay. Git add. File name. Add scene 5. Git add scene 5.5 scene -5.text. Run. Damn. Git add file name scene -1 text.text. Add scene 1 text to the Git staging area. From the terminal. Oh, from the terminal. You. Big dumb idiots to the right. That's the code editor. Moron. Alright. There we go. Git add scene 5. Enter. Ta-da! There we go. Success. Good lord. Hasn't even been 24 hours since the last time I did this. This is why it's important to do this daily. Alright, commit the changes, the repository, with a good commit message. Here's a hint. Yes, we saw, but for a good refresher, we will... This I do remember, because it was basically the last thing we did. But a git commit m and some fun spiel in quotes. So we're gonna do git commit -m quotes ghosty ghost. Ta-da! Success. Onwards. 2 of 8. In Git, the commit you are currently on is known as the head commit. In many cases, the most recently made commit is the head commit. To see head commit, enter git show head. The output of this command will display everything in the Git Log command displays for the head commit, plus all file changes that were committed. Let's take a gander. Was this from yesterday's as well? Often Git, you will need to refer back. Yeah, Git Log, that was yesterday's. Okay, 1. Enter the command to show the head commit. Notice the output. The Ghost's most recently added line is in green text. So we're going to do exactly as they instruct. Git show head. And we're looking for green text. Ta-da! Look at that. Lovely. Very Kermit-y font. Now, diff, okay, so git show head. This is the SHA in orange, the author, then the date, the tagline for the commit, some more info about it, the scene affected, some other noise, and now this is the most recent change. Git add scene 5. Okay, cool. At least we're able to sort of read through the code. That's good. Instead of just staring into the abyss of the terminal with confusion. Section 3. Let's do this. What if you decide to change the ghost's line in the working directory, but then decided you wanted to discard the change? You could rewrite the line how it was originally, but what if you forgot the exact wording? The command git checkout head file name will restore the file in your working directory to look exactly as it did when you last made a commit. Here the file name again is the actual name of the file. If the file is named changes.txt, the command would be git checkout head changes.txt. Fair enough. Change the ghost wording in some way. Here's a fun suggestion. Ghost. My hour is almost come when I sulphurous and tormenting balloons must render up myself. So we could, yeah, we're just gonna change flames to balloons. Nope, we're gonna do cat. Tormenting cat. Run. Good. Successfully tormented cat. 2. From the terminal, use git diff to see the difference between scene5.txt as it appears in the working directory versus how it appears in your last commit. You may need to press Q on your keyboard to restore the terminal. From the terminal, use git diff to see the difference. Git diff. Enter. I did something wrong. From the terminals, use get different. It's get diff scene 5. There's more to it, right? Get diff scene 5 dot text. That's okay. We're feeling this out. We are slowly getting there. Running into issues is our friend. Get not get. Son of a Topher, you're a lifesaver. Git. Git is new to my vocabulary. I've been using get for the last however many years, so my bad. Git diff scene 5. Pretty sure it's scene 5. Dot text. There we go. Wow, it's even in red and green. That's cool. Flames versus cat. Press Q on your keyboard to restore terminal. Alright. So use the new git command to restore the file in your working directory. Oh, I was thinking copy and paste. This is even better. Use the new git command to restore the file in your working directory to look as it did when you made your last made a commit. Notice the changes you made to the ghost line have been discarded. When I run the command. So now I do the checkout command? What if you decide to change later? You could rewrite. What if you forgot the command is okay, so git checkout. I wonder. I think I'm supposed to do, yeah, you may need to press Q. So I'm gonna press Q. No? Death? Wrong? Okay. Don't press Q. But git with an I. Git checkout. I think. Scene 5.text. Aha! Green checkbox. I'm gonna trust them that I'm on the right course. Yeah, hey, look, it's different! Flames! Holy shit. The cat's gone. The cat is free of torment. Nice. Way cool. It worked. Section 4. Alright. The Hamlet, Hamlet? That's just a very close one. Yeah, there's a space. I'll give it to him. This time. The Hamlet we are working on contains 5 files. In Git, it's common to change many files, add those files to the staging area, and commit them to Git in a single commit. For example, say you want to change the character Larry to Laritz. Oh, son of a... I'm going to have Siri read it to me again. Siri?
Laertes.
Oh, Laertes? Yeah, I don't know if I trust their robot pronunciation of it, but it's got to be better than mine. In the script, the name currently appears in 2 files. After you change the name in both files, you could add the changed files to the staging area with git add filename 1, filename 2. Note the word file name refers to the name of the file you are adding to the staging area, such as scene3.text. Instructions. The code editor is open to scene3.text and 7.text. In scene3.text, everywhere you see the name Larry, change it to... I'm already drawing a blank. It was something weird and somewhat Frenchy. Laertes. Latin? Hamlet. I don't know. This is not a popular name to name your child in the year 2017. So... okay. Then again, I'm assuming anyone named Ophelia doesn't hang out with many people named Larry, so these worlds are clashing. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. The names totally threw me off. File name. Get, add, not get. Git, not get. G-I-T. Git, add. Scene 3 and scene 7. So do I manually change them? Or has the change already happened? I see Larry here and Larry here. Oh. Now change all instances of Larry to Lariats in scene 7. The code editor is open to scene 3 and 7. In scene 3, everywhere you see the name Larry, change it to Lariats. Okay, so that's just me. That's what I'm doing. For example, say you want to change character name Lariats to Lariat in the script. It appears, changing both. Alright, so I just changed. So there's 3 Larrys. These guys get changed to this. I'm not typing out his name, so... copy. Crisis averted, everybody. Crisis averted. And that's it. Ta-da! Now, onwards. Run. Success. Larry eliminated. 2. Now, change all instances of Larry to Larets in scene 7. So this is just for adding all files together at once. I'm making the changes. The way it was presented, it seemed like I would make the change in my mind. The way I interpreted it was changing Larry's name in one file, Lariats, and then running some Git code where it found all Larry's here and changed it as well. But this is just to compile all of them. So I have to manually change. Now change all instances of Larry to Lariats in scene 7. Noted. Larry King. Good. Run. There we go. Back to scene 3, just for fun. Add the files to the staging area using a single git command. Git add scene -3 scene -7. Hold on. Hold the phone. Oh, for this is simulating making changes to multiple files and adding multiple files to the staging area instead of just one file. Ah, gotcha. Okay, yes, it's much more big picture than I realized. So here they've got file name 1 and 2. File name 1 would be scene 3, and then the other would be scene 7. Not scene 3-1, scene 3-2. Yeah, no, I'm overanalyzing that. This is fine. Git add scene 3.text scene 7.text. Overthinking is one of my strong suits, so. Which quickly leads to confusion. Nice. Success. Okay. Section 5 of 8. Dear God, whoever plays King Claudius is rude for lines. Got this giant freaking monologue. Okay. 5. Great. The files you've added to the staging area belong in the same commit. What if, before you commit, you accidentally delete an important line from scene 2 text? Unthinkingly, that's a weird, unthinkingly. I'm a fan of strange words, but that I haven't come across that. Unthinkingly, you add scene 2 text to the staging area. The file change is unrelated to the Larry Larets swap, and you don't want to include it in the commit. We can unstage that file from the staging area using git reset head file name. Ah, so this is removing from the staging area. That's clever. That's fun. If you're into Git, this command resets the file in the staging area to be the same as the head commit. It does not discard. Wait. This command resets the file in the staging area to be the same as the head commit. It does not discard file changes from the working directory. It just removes them from the staging area. Yeah, we're just removing stuff from the staging area. Good. The order of the files makes no difference. It just matters that you separated each file name with space. Okay, that was for the last section. Good. Confirmation helps. Confirmation is comforting. 1. Try out the new command. Let's make a mistake on purpose. That's bound to happen. With me at the helm. The code editor is open to scene 2. Delete any line from the file and click run. They said delete any line. I'm gonna delete 2. You like that? Extra wrong. Run. Ta-da! From the terminal, add scene 2 to the Git staging area. Yeah, we will. Git add, how do you like that? Scene 2. Getting with confidence. Scene added, green checkbox. Good, good. 3, no? 3, that's 3, not this. This is 3. 3. Now check the status of the Git project. In the output, notice scene 2 text changes to be committed. Isn't it just like Git status, right? Pretty sure it was a very straightforward. It was either Git status or, yep, good. Or Git status scene 2 in this instance, but just Git status. On branch master, changes to be committed using git reset head file to unstage. Oh, use git reset head file to unstage. It also says it right there. Fun. Modified 237. Use the new git command to unstage scene 2 from the staging area. Notice the output. Unstage changes after reset will be M. M is short for modification. So now I get to do this. Git reset head file name. Right? Yeah. Git reset head file name scene something. Scene 2 M2 modified 2 or modification 2. This is so great. All right. I don't know if it's actually great. I just think I like learning. It's a fun feeling. I can feel my brain churning, pulsating. Section 5. Now that changes made to scene2.txt have been booted out of the staging area, you're ready to commit. From the terminal, make a commit to save the Lariat's name swap in Hamlet. Okay, so we do git commit hyphen m quotes Larry versus Larry. I don't remember how to spell his name. What was his name? Laritz? Laritz. There we go. Yes. Oh, keyboards are difficult. Did I even spell his name right? There we go. For a guy I dislike, certainly care a lot. The stupid name. Larry versus Larry. Lariats. Ta-da! Section 5, done. That was it. We made it through that. Nice. Section 6. Let's do this. Flying through Git like a pro. That's right. Good times. Don't mind me. I've received a slew of text messages and haven't responded to any of them. Okay. Go time. Section 6, let's do this. Creating a project is like hiking in a dark forest. Sometimes you take a wrong turn, then another wrong turn. Before you know it, you're surrounded by bears. We've all been in that situation. Git enables you to rewind the part before you made the wrong turn and create a new destiny for the project. You can do this with git reset SHA. This command works by using the first 7 characters of the SHA of a previous commit. For example, if the SHA of the previous commit is 5D69 blah 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 blah, git reset 5D69206. Cool. Section 1. Weird analogy. Yes. Their bear analogy was very descriptive. Good visual. Okay. Instructions from the terminal. Print out your git commit log. Note, if your cursor gets stuck in Git Log, in Git Log mode in the terminal, press Q on your keyboard to escape. They said last time, and they mocked me. There's a Q somewhere in here. It's full of lies. See this? Q. Man not found. Liars. Maybe I just don't push enter. Anywho, from the terminal, print out your git commit log. So, git log, right? I think this one is our friend. Are you still here? Git log. We can see it in the background. We can see it. Oh god, we're closing out all this stuff. There we go. Git log. Git log. Fire away. Lots of orange, which are the SHA codes. From the terminal, enter the command to reset to a previous commit, using the first 7 characters from one of the past SHAs in your git log. Next, print the git commit log again. Notice anything interesting? The commits that came after the one you reset are gone. The head commit has been reassigned. You just changed history. We will do the halfway one. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, son of a bitch, I can't copy. We're just going to write it down. I'm going to type it out. Git reset 8.3 1, 2 F7 3, 4 B3 5, 6. All the counting in between has thrown me off. 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, we've got our 7 from the SHA code. Fire away. Unstaged changes after reset, scene 2, 3, and 5. Git commit the log again, or get the git commit log again. Git log. And now there were 4 with a different SHA code. Yeah, is that right? Possibly. Seems right. Cool. Notice anything interesting? The commits, okay, you just reset are gone. Tons of fun. Section 7. We made it out of the woods alive. Hey, which is fitting for this section. Woods, bears. That was not planned. Alright. To better understand Git, reset commit SHA. Notice the diagram on the right. No, we struggled with this yesterday. The right is this way for the camera. On the right. To better understand Git, reset commit SHA. Notice the diagram on the right. Each circle represents a commit. Okay, before the reset, head is at the most recent commit. ABCD head. Okay. After resetting, head goes to a previously made commit of your choice, which was the middle one, C, also fitting for the last example. The gray commits are no longer part of your project. You have in essence rewinded the project's history. Okay, cool. Section 8. Halfway through Git. Congratulations. You've learned 3 different ways to backtrack in Git. You can use these skills to undo changes made to your Git project. Let's take a moment to review the new commands. Git checkout head file name, discards changes in the working directory, git reset head file name, unstages the file changes in the staging area. Git reset SHA can be used to reset to a previous commit in your commit history. Additionally, you learned a way to add multiple files to the staging area with a single command. Git add file name 1, file name 2. Hot damn. Click next to finish the lesson, which we will most certainly do. Although this does conclude the stream. Git branching, learn how to manage multiple versions of a project with branching. We'll take a peek at the beginning. Zenv are out of here. Up to this point, you've worked with a single Git branch called master. Git allows us to create branches to experiment with versions of a project. Imagine you want to create versions of a story with a happy ending. You can create the new branch and make the happy ending changes to that branch only. It will have no effect on the master branch until you're ready to merge the happy ending to the master branch. Interesting. In this lesson, we'll be using Git branching to develop multiple versions of a resume. Alright, well, we will save that for tomorrow. One fiasco at a time. We are now 50% of the way through Git. 346 points is where we end the day at, as it slowly loads my profile. There we go. 51 badges. Huzzah! Woohoo! Yeah, little cat. You still sleepy? Oh, yeah, you're sleeping. Oh god, your claws. Alright. Good, good. Well, that's it. Done for today. Topher, thank you for stopping by. Good to have you as always. And let's kill this. OBS. Stop stream. Hell yeah. Kill it.